That's fine. I got another adventure. It's a dangerous one. You fellas up for a dangerous adventure? Huh? This is dangerous. And it could be an expensive one too. But let's see, you're gonna say, oh no, he ain't doing that by himself. I have a tractor bucket, but I gotta put hydraulic fluid in. That's what Jason said and suggested. I think the same thing too. Let's go find out where I put that. I'll shut this truck off. Don't need this one. We got a 500-pound stove. I'll show you what stove it is. And you tell me if it's expensive or not. It's quite a stove. I'm sorry. I guess I'm brain dead. Table saw, not a stove. My bad. Yeah. It's a big 500-pound table saw. So I'm gonna shut this truck off. Shut this radio off. See, I don't know if I'm going to be able to hold it back. Sometimes you just don't know things. So what I'm planning on doing is putting it on these rollers and let it go down. So I want to set it up there. It's I had it on my back. I had it on my back deck that I tore down, we're tearing down, and whoa! Luckily, nothing got hurt. That's good. She's holding by the teeth. They got two little teeth on each side. The only thing I can do, maybe, I need this saw because it's getting rusty. I had it, listen, I had this saw, I know it ain't going nowhere. I had this salt on the back. I put a pound of lard. My brother watched me do it. A pound of lard all over it. Then I covered it with plastic. There goes the problem. People like plastic, I don't. That's how they made all them old government houses out of plastic instead of breathable paper. That's why they all rot down. So anyway, I gotta bring it back somehow. So what I'm going to try to do here, I'm going to try to hold this from kicking out. The only thing I can do is this. Like here. Away from the rollers. There. Now that goes there. This is the only thing that's going to save me from not letting this kick out now. It's going to be hard enough as it is to try to hold it back. I don't know about you, but I'm getting warm. It's warm. Working today. More of a damp day, but not super cold. Keep my vest on, keep my shoulders warm. Okay, going to go under. Go on the other side. We'll keep that fire going after a bit. Yeah. Make sure this is really tight. There, I'm saying that's really tight. If it's going to fall, all I can say, guys, let it fall. I did my best right there. Now, this is the potent part. 500 pounds versus 200 pounds. Give or take a pound or two. If I feel it coming toward me and I can't hold it, I'm just letting it go. Make sure it's looking around. That's going to obstruct my walking. Yeah, I know this place is a mess, and I got to get that fire going, and get that fire party going. I got to have a fire party. We still being able to see this? Hopefully we can. Yeah. Okay. Good. Let's back it up a little more in case I have to jump toward you guys. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. Well, you know what you can do. I can't stand on them because I'll be going for a ride, so I'm going to have to. Make sure the ply is on top of it. There we go. Come on, old feller. We don't want to go sideways either. Whoa, 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 whoa. And I hate crossing that. 3. Wow. Wow. Need a bolt for that. Maybe this is it. This is probably it here. Let's see what we... Okay. Man, we did it, guys. My back aches a little bit, though. A little bit. I don't think this is it. I think it's a nut and bolt, I'm thinking. But anyway, I'll have to set it up a little bit better. It's got the plastic. This is not pretty good. By setting, we did it, guys. We did it. This here is pressed sawdust. All this is, it can be replaced. It swelled up a little bit, so I probably end up taking this off so I can have a true. And the plastic rotted right on it. That's crazy. Oh, that's plastic. Look, look at that. How brittle it is. Junk, eh? Well, I'm glad I got it off though. I have a big this was in some shape, eh? And out of kindness, I thought was kindness, I ruined it. I set it outside, but it was covered with lard and still didn't help. So it's a really cabinet maker saw, but it can come back. But I don't know if I'll bring it back to a cabinet maker saw. That entails a lot, but I just have it for a construction saw. So I think this got quite a big powerful motor. Let's see what we got. I'm glad I strapped them. I know you guys was probably thinking, strap them back, strap them back. Okay. This was covering the motor. That was good. It's a big motor. It's all heavy steel. Well, it weighs 500 pounds. So I'll get this cleaned up. This will be thick. I'm going to go get something. I'll be right back in a second. That belongs to it. I gotta get the key. Yeah, I got so many things to do. But I'm glad this is off the truck though. A lot of weight. And if I'll just cover it up with I'll find a real tarp that way. have a fence, but I'm not sure. This is supposed to be a very expensive fence, he told me. That's crazy. Doesn't have nothing in the back, but yet he said this here fence was, what did he say? Over $500 at the time, just for a fence. I don't know, guys. You can look it up. There's the name, and made in the good old US of A. So that's worth a lot. I got a lot of American friends down there that they never subscribe to my channel. I can tell because 85% is, I got 80 or 85% of my followers is Americans. So a lot of them hasn't subscribed. Come on, guys, subscribe to my channel. Helps me out a little bit. And the rest is Canadian. I think there's some people in Germany. The odd person probably in Australia. But wow, that's crazy, eh? Now this thing cranks up. Can you see? Can you see? Yeah, you can see. So we'll crank this up. It's a well-built. Go on YouTube and price these things. Like, I'm thinking, well, they used to be, but that's what I heard, around $5 grand. That's what I heard. You know what I mean? So we got a cord. I'll tell you what I paid for it. Let me tell you what I paid for it. This was kept meticulously perfect shape from a really good bunch of carpenters up in Nova Scotia, house builders. But they had it for a while and they was carrying it, and they got so old they couldn't carry it, so they sold it, had it for sale. I beat him down to a low price, and he said, you know what? He said, we got to sell it because we're too old. Watch this. Stop button. You know, I had no intentions of selling it. I know I got to clean it off here. Start button again. Let's check the engine out. Let's put it on and check the engine out. Whoops. That's a big motor. There's the panel. All the mechanisms in there. That's a real McCoy there, bud.